Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me. This is Jimmy Mastery. We're going to go ahead and play today. Going to show you guys a system called the Matrix. And I was going to show this one yesterday for you, but my ankle was acting up, so I decided to let it rest. But I am actually standing on it now. So I'm not walking on it. I can gently walk on it with some crutches. I can put a little pressure on it, but at least I'm standing straight up right now. I do have these crutches here, but I'm standing straight up. All right, so here's how this one works. This one's pretty interesting. Now, I'm going to have a hard time. Guys. So what I'll do is I'll put all my bets here at the bottom, okay? So we'll go ahead and play this one out. We don't have a don't pass or a pass line. You're not going to be working any come outs. Here we go. 6 is the point. Okay. And here's how it works, okay? So the first one, you're going to go like this. You're going to go all the way across on every number, and you're going to put 100 on the come, okay? I'm sorry, 150. 150 on the come. You have 150 across the board. So if a 7 comes, you're going to break even. If a 11 comes, you're going to win 150. If a 3 comes or a 2, we all know we're going to lose, even a 12. So kind of sucks, but we'll figure it out as we go along. Okay, now we're going to just pretend we're on a bubble craps machine. That way I don't have to cap these, okay? Here we go. Okay, we have a 6. All right, so that was a point actually. So we're going to get $30, right? That we're going to get $30. Okay. And now our come bet is going to go to the 6. So we're going to come down on our original, and the come bet goes to the 6. All right. Now, here's the deal. Everything is going to be off for the come out except for the come bet. The come bet we cannot shut off, okay? So here's what we'll do is we're going to remove our no 4. We're going to remove our 4, and we're going to lay a no 4 on the come out. Here we go. 7. That sucks for us. So we're going to lose 100, but we get back 50 because we did this. Okay? So we'll take our 50 here. So we ended up losing there, which is not good. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to put back our 6. All right? So now is the come out, and we're going to be off except for our no 4. 6 is the point. Okay, and we're working. A 10. We're going to get 50. What we're doing right now is we're trying to get back the 100 that we lost, and we just hit a good number, which is the 10. Okay, so we got back 50. We're going to do it again. Okay, we hit the 7. So this is not going very well for us. We're going to get back 50, and we're going to lose this 75. Sometimes the system will start off great. Sometimes not so great. Okay? We'll go with our no 4 on the come out. 5 is the point. Okay. Now we're going to remove this. And now we're going to go back to our 150 on the come, okay? And then these guys are going to go right back to the way they were, just like that. Okay? Here we go. 11. That is fantastic. That is fantastic. We're going to get 150. Okay? So we racked our 150 already. Okay, here we go. 6. We're going to get 35, or in this case 30, and we're going to take 30. our 6 will come down to make room for our come bet. Okay? Now, we want to get a couple hits here. Here we go. 7. Ugh. So horrible. So horrible. Okay. We'll go ahead and do our no 4 for the come out. 6 is the point. Okay, now we have to go up. We have to go up. So this is going to be 300. Okay? And then this is 50 now. These are all 50. They're going up one level. Okay? So you have 300 that protects every single penny you have out there in case you throw an early 7. 11. Okay, so you're going to get 300. Because you got 300, this immediately is going to change back to 150, and these are immediately going to go down a level. Okay, guys? And now you're back in action. Here you go. 4. Okay, our 4 is going to come down. We're going to get $50 for that 4. This 150 goes to the no 4. And now what we're going to do, we're going to remove our 10. And we're going to put 100 on no 10. Okay, here we go. 11. 11. 5. That's going to pay us 35 or 30. Yeah, 35. So we get 35. Okay, and we're going to go, what we're going to do now is we're going to take our no 10 down. We're going to put up the regular 10. Okay, and we're going to leave everything the same. Okay, here we go. 9. Okay, that's 35. Okay, so check this out. What you're going to do is you're calculating how much that you won since your come bet has been there. So you know your come bet is 150. And you know you've hit the 5 and the 9. So that created $70. Well, close to it. I think that was $70, right? Okay, so now you could go for one more, but the problem with this system is very dangerous to do that because 7s come out a lot, especially at the casino. So you're going to come down off of that and you're going to go back to your no 10. Here we go. 11. 11. How many 11s are we going to throw? 9. 7. Okay, so we're going to lose this 150. We get 50 back because of our no 10. We're going to leave our no 10 out there. Okay, you want your come bet to be like a 6 or an 8. When they're 4s, it's not so great for you, okay? All right, so here's the come out. Hey, there we go. We got $50 back. Okay, for our no 10, just made $50 for us. And it's going to stay out there. 8 is the point. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to get rid of our no 10. We're going to put 150 on our come, and all these guys are going to get a quarter all the way down. Okay, so you're equal right now. Here we go. 8. That is the point. So your 8's going to come down, but you are going to get paid 30 for it. Okay, this guy goes to the 8. Okay, now you're going to be off except for the 8. 5 is the point. Okay, you're going to work this. You need one more hit, and then we're going to take this off and we're going to lay the no 10. 5. That's the point. That's another 30. 35. Okay, all of these are coming down now. Okay, every one of these are coming down. Okay, here comes the come out, and we're going to try to protect it with a no 4. It won't protect all of it, but it's better than nothing. 10. Okay, the point is a 10. This guy comes down. He was only there for the come out. Okay? All right? So now, in this particular case, there is no more betting. There is no more betting. Because what you're doing is you're looking at this as a bonus. Okay? This protected your come out, and it gives you $70 because you got 2 hits. Okay? So you're reducing this in half. So what you're looking at is if you happen to hit this 8, that bonus is 150 plus you already made 70. So you're looking at $220. And if that's enough to cash out, you want to cash out. I'm always looking for systems to do their job, build the bankroll, take the money, and leave. Okay, there's a 9. An 8. Okay, that's our 8 right there. Okay, so we get, well, unfortunately, we only get 1 to 1. So we get our 1 to 1. And now you accomplished your goal, and you basically were very successful. You hit 2 of your regular box numbers, and you also hit your bonus, which is fantastic. Like I said, every time that your come out, or every time your come bet is a 6, 8, maybe a 5 or 9, you have a good chance, especially 6 or 8. So we don't work. Now you could come back in now in the middle of the hand. We'll go ahead and do that. It really doesn't matter. Okay. So we will come back in the middle of the hand. We're just going to go all the way across. And we'll put our 150 here. And we're rocking and rolling. Okay. It's an 11. It's an 11. Okay. So we're going to get 150. There's our 150. And here we go. We're going to give back the 150 that we just got. So we got to give them right back the 150. 7. Okay. In this particular case, we basically break even. Okay. So we actually broke even with that. So what we're going to do is everything's going to be off. Okay. It's a new shooter. You cannot do a come bet on the come out. So everything's off. This is not even here. Make the 10. Okay, and 9 is our point. And now we place our bets and we're good to go. 7. Okay, we break even. Same exact thing. We do it all over again. We're off. 7 again. We are off. It doesn't count. Hard 4 is the point. Okay, we put all of our wagers out there like we have it, and we start to play. 5 is the point. Okay, we're going to earn 35 for that 5. And that 5 is going to come down, and we're going to place that 150 on it. And now is where you have to pray that you don't get a 7 here. 4. Okay, that was actually the best number you could possibly ask for. Well, no, that's not true. The 5. The 5 was the best number. Okay, and sometimes you're going to get lucky like that and hit that bonus real quick. So you're going to get 50. And that allows you to bring everything down except for your come bet. And what are you going to do? You can do a no 10 or a no 4. And there's a 4. Point is a 4. Okay? And we're just going to leave it just the way it is, like this. 6. 5. There's your bonus right there. You get the 150. Okay, there's your 150. This comes down. You have no more obligation. And you're going to go ahead and remove your lay, and you're going to cash out. It's that simple. Okay? So let's take a look at how we did. We started with 5,000 of prop bets. Okay? We had 5,000 in prop bets. So we have, whoa, giving away too much there. All right, we got 5,000 right there. and let's see how much we earned. So we earned 3, 4, 5, 6, $635. $635 that quick, and that is called the matrix. Okay, pretty cool system. So here's my advice for you when it comes to the come bet and when you are losing. When those sevens get you early, like let's say as soon as you hit your point, the come bet goes to the point, or not the point, as soon as the come bet is established, and then you're vulnerable, right? Because you got your 150 on the come, and then you have all of the other numbers, right? And all of a sudden, whack, you get hit with the 7. Horrible timing, right? So what you can do, when you go to 300 on the come bet, and all of the box numbers are at $50 each. So all you have to remember is that every single quarter green chip that's on a box number equals 100 on the come. So if you have a quarter on every single box number, you know that, I'm sorry, every quarter equals 150. I'm sorry. So every quarter equals 150. So if you have 25 out there on each box number, you know your come bet is 150. If you have $50 on each box number, you know your come bet is 300. If you have 450 on the come, each number 75, and then it goes to 550 on the come, and each number is a black chip. So if you play it that way, my point that I was trying to make is don't panic, go with the flow. Don't play it if you don't have those type of funds to use or to lose. Overall, it's been a pretty consistent system. I like it because so many of the times you're getting 50% typically back. When you remove your box numbers, you only have about 50% of what you invested out there. So if you've got 150 out there, most of the time you've already received 70 because of your 2 hits, okay? The problem is I don't recommend that you go more than 2 hits because then you're vulnerable. You're not protected by the 7, and it would really add up and stuff like that. But you are going to have, guys, a lot of times where you get up to the $450 come bet, and all of a sudden it's an 11 or something like that. You know what I mean? So, and if you wanted to increase maybe the possibility of winning more money with this system, one of the things that I'm considering that I just realized that might be smart for us to do is when the point's established and we go 150 here and you go on all your numbers, maybe we should establish getting the come bet set first. Because if you throw the 7, you're going to get the full amount of money without losing your box numbers. So I think that we might want to go ahead and go for just the come, and then when the come gets established, then we can go across with our wager. Okay? So you could try it both ways. All right? Not the greatest strategy in the world, but it's a pretty decent strategy. I haven't, played it a million times or anything like that, so I haven't played it enough to really know how successful it would be long term. But it seems like a decent system for you guys to play around with if you want to play with that, okay? It's not my best system or anything, you guys know that, but it's a decent system. All right, so I figured I'd just show you that. Like I said, I'm bored sitting here with a broken ankle. So I got to do something, man. Get tired of just sitting on the computer. All right, peace out, guys. Hit that like button for me. And appreciate you guys taking the time to spend with me today.